Alright guys, I'm going to remind you of some features you have in Schoology when you take assessments in there or tests. I'm going to use the simplifying expressions one as an example. You're going to see the title of the assessment or test. Any type of directions that I put in there will be right here. And then you would start your new attempt. So we click on our new attempt. And here's our first question. Up here you'll see a toolbar. You can push the play button and it will speak or read the question and answers to you. You can pause it at any time. You can stop the speech playback at any time. You can screen mask, as in you can make sure or have it so that you only see certain parts of the question and each answer one by one. You also see there's a toolbar over here. If you click this arrow down here to expand it, you will see that you can review your questions and answers. You have accessibility features. You can flag it for review, as in maybe you don't know the answer to that question and you want to skip it and come back. You're working on a question and you know certain answers aren't correct, so you can eliminate those. Here's your calculator. No need to get a separate calculator out when you're working on these assessments. The calculator is built in right there. You also have a built-in notepad. Okay, so you don't need scratch paper either unless you just want to do pencil paper. You can also expand it so it's full screen. Once you've answered your first question, you click down here to go to your second question. And you can do the same exact thing. Same exact toolbars are up there. The play button, the pause, okay, your tools over here, your calculator. You click through and you do each question. And once you're finished, you click on the review button and it shows you which ones you've answered and which ones you haven't answered. Once again, you saw the toolbar over here, you click finish and then you click submit. Okay, so hopefully that'll help you with your assessments from here on out.